Y'all, I got this shirt for Christmas. Isn't it the cutest thing? It's literally my favorite shirt now. I love it. Anyway, guys, it's Jackie and Derpy here with another video, and this is going to be feeding all my snakes the food that I just got them the food that you just saw me unbox last week. I have 11 snakes. I have 4 Mexican Black King snakes, 3 tricolor hognoses, 1 western hognose, 1 ball python, 1 false water cobra, and 1 corn snake. So that's everyone. I got all this last week because my freezer got unplugged and all my frozen food got destroyed. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my snakes eat, and I know they will very much enjoy my purchase, so I hope you guys like seeing them eat dead things. There's gonna be no live feeding in this video, so don't worry about that. Just frozen thawed. All right, let's get into it. All right, guys, everything is thawed. Smells terrible, but we have our first contender right here, who I just found like this. That might be a little big for you, but oh, nice. Bye. Sir, I don't think that's how you eat it, but all right. Are you gonna watch? Yeah, you wanna watch? I promise I'm going to clean the water, but this, who's in here? It's a tricolor for sure, I know that, but it's one of the girls, but I don't remember which one, because I don't have their cages labeled, so I just gotta go off of looks. Oh, there she is. Hey mamas. Hey mamas. That is Slurpee. Really, little man? Right there. There, come on. Come on. Come on. It's right here. Oh my god, you dumb little thing. You dumb little creature. Okay, there you go. So that means in here is Duchess somewhere. Hi, cat. Oh. Just, oh my gosh. Backwards, but all right, you got it. And that means last of the tricolors in my little tubs right here is my boy. All right, now that I have succeeded in destroying his enclosure and dirtying up his water bowl, I found him. Not sure where. Oh, his face is over here. Where's your face? There we go. Oh my gosh. Come on. Come on. Oh, there he goes. There's my boy. I forgot to mention, but each of my tricolors are all going to get 2 large pinky mice today. And this man is just going to get his 1, and he is almost done with it. Nice. Okay, sir. Come on. Okay, I'm sorry. Putting these guys to the side for now while I feed the other ones, because these guys are gonna need more. And hello, are you hungry? Oh, are you hungry? Are you hungry? Next up is my western hognose, Derpy, who is very ready to get some food. And you'll be easy, huh? Got dirt in your mouth. It's just dirt, it's not scale rot. See? That was so gentle. Aw, sweet girl. She used to be really aggressively crazy with feeding. Like, she would bite herself and bite everything in her enclosure and bite the glass. But she's calmed down since. No thoughts, only mouse. All right, we will put you away then because you're taking a while. All right, this little lady right here is very ready to eat. You just gotta, no? Gotta tease her for a minute. She likes to be teased. Yeah, there you go. Come on, get it. There you go. And let me help you. And she takes it in and she eats it. So that's all you're here to see. this girl left me a nice, beautiful little shed right here that you're about to see. And this, oh my god, my cat. This is Sinaloa, the other one's Sonora. So, you wanna get it? Same situation. They treat food the exact same. You gotta tease them a little. Oh my god, working like this. Okay, there we go. And same situation. She takes it in and she eats it. Alright, let's update everyone. Still working on it. Alright, you are done, mister, huh? You'd probably take another one, but I'm not gonna do that. Oh, you're pushing it down. It's a pretty big lump. There's number 2. I know you'll take it. Yep, took it. Pull the substrate out of your mouth. And you, Miss Duchess, look like you're done as well. Would you like another? I know you do. Come on. Got dirt all over your head, huh? Come on, it's right. Oh, yep, there you go. Have fun. And I don't think Jupiter is ready yet. We'll check on him later. And then we have my beloved Santiago right here, who will be getting a large mouse. He has been waiting for this. All right, I'm kind of scared here. He's gonna, oh shoot. Right here, next up, we have, oh god. Sedona, oh god. Come on, bud. Come on, please take it. Oh, fuck. Okay. Okay. Buddy. Oh, he's trying to wrap it. Just got it by one arm. Dude, I don't even know what you're doing. Buddy, what are you doing? You have it by one arm. Oh, would you like another one? Huh? I'm sorry, you don't get another one. You're all covered in dirt, my god. And he's, still working on it in there. Okay, that's a little scary. He let go of it. Oh god, no, don't, no, no. No. No, grab the mouse. Take the mouse. Did you turn your nose up to it? Wow. We'll try this again with a different mouse because he's scary. Where's his face? Oh! He hasn't been wanting to eat sometimes. I think it's because he's horny. Oh, did you just hiss at me? My fucking bad. Alright, well, this goes to another snake then. And we come back to Santiago, who is deep throating that shit. We'll get back to him. You do not get more. However, no, you don't get more. I'm going to take the substrate out. You gonna try to eat the glass? Yeah. This little lady is working on it. Oh, wow, are you ready for another one? Come, oh, yeah, come here. Right here. Right there, come on. You know you want it. There you go, mister. And then we have Cairo here. Oh, my bad. He's in shed. Oh my god, cat, shut up. You're really trying to steal the spotlight that bad? You wanted in here! Hey, are you interested, sir? He is deep in blue. Oh my god, his eyes. Oh yes, he is gargling that shit. Goddamn, boy! I think we could start him on rats soon. Yeah. Give him a rat after he eats that. Gonna be a big meal, but I know my boy can take it. Oh my god, I didn't think he ate it. He did eat it. My bad, dude. Sorry. And you finished, didn't you? You did. I can't see your belly though, because you buried yourself. Alright, here's the real fun. The false water cobra. See, I didn't want to give her anything too big, although I think she could go up a size. Little brat. Ooh. You look like a sausage. I do, however, think that he can take down this rat. Yeah, that should be pretty easy for him. You want another one, buddy? Your first rat. What do you think? I don't know if he wants it. Oh, never mind. Oh, I'm kind of scared now. Oh shit. I'll just push him in the right direction. Do not bite the carpet, I swear to God. Yes? Oh shit. Okay, go back in your cage then if you don't want it. Oh, you do. Doesn't know what to think about it.
He wants to front.
Come on, you have to. You have to. You have to. Right there. You're fine. See, no problem. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed watching all my snakes eat, just like I do every week. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and comment, because I'd love to hear what you think, and subscribe to stay tuned for more creepy crawly content. You are gurgling, you sound like you need to poop, I'll put you back. Alright, so if you like this video, make sure to like and comment so I can hear what you guys think, and subscribe to stay tuned for more creepy crawly content, because I'd love to see you back next week. We'll see what I have in store. Bye!